As the SADC Summit gears up to take place, tensions are rising and all eyes are on the streets. Police spokesman Paul Nyathi has made it crystal clear they are ready to deal with protesters. Now, what does this mean for those planning to hit the streets? Nyathi's statement isn't just a casual warning, it's a stern reminder of the power dynamics at play. You see, the SADC Summit is a big deal. Leaders from across Southern Africa will be gathering to discuss key issues affecting the region. But with great power comes great scrutiny, and many Zimbabweans see this as a prime opportunity to voice their grievances. From economic hardships to political reform, the list of demands is long and passionate. But the police are not backing down. Nyathi's comments underscore a readiness to maintain order, no matter the cost. This isn't the first time we've seen such a stance, and it certainly won't be the last. It's a classic play in the book of political maneuvering: show strength to maintain control. As the summit approaches, the tension is palpable. Will the protesters' voices echo through the halls of the SADC Summit? Or will the police crackdown stifle their cries for change? Only time will tell. Stay tuned, stay informed, and as always, let's keep the conversation going in the comments below. What do you think about Nyathi's statement? Is it a necessary measure for maintaining order, or a stifling of democratic expression? I'd love to hear your thoughts, so comment down below. Catch you in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates from Zim News Live, YTS.